Hey. Welcome back to Milling's Auto Parts, and more sorry to keep you waiting for so long today. We will look at the cabin filter. This is very simple yet very important. It's often overlooked, but it's actually a pretty important component for your comfort and health while driving. It's like a big, rectangular air freshener. But instead of making your car smell like pine trees, it cleans the air you breathe inside. Imagine it as the lungs of your car, filtering out all the bad stuff. All the dust, pollen, and nasty stuff gets trapped in there, so you don't have to. Over time, it can get pretty dirty, filled with all sorts of debris, which is why it's crucial to change it regularly. Now you might be thinking, Millings, I never see this cabin filter. Where is it hiding? Well, it's not exactly in plain sight. Good question. It's usually tucked away behind the glove compartment under the dashboard, or sometimes even near the engine bay. It's designed to be out of the way so it doesn't interfere with your daily driving, or sometimes even near the engine bay. Depending on your car model, the location can vary, but it's always in a spot where it can effectively filter the air coming into the cabin. Don't worry, we'll find it together. If you're unsure, your car's manual will have the exact location. And if you're still having trouble, a quick visit to store can solve the mystery. We can show you where it is and even help you replace it if needed. So next time you're driving, take a moment to appreciate the clean air, thanks to your trusty cabin filter. Now, you wouldn't keep wearing the same dirty socks for weeks, would you? Of course not. It's the same with your cabin filter. A dirty filter means you and your passengers are breathing in all that yucky stuff. Plus, a clogged filter makes your car's AC system work harder. As a result, you use more gas. That means less efficient cooling and heating, and nobody wants to be sweating like a pig in a traffic jam, right? First things first, come and get your new cabin filer. We sell a wide variety at Millings Auto. I'll tell you exactly where it's hiding and what type of filter your car needs. Once you've found the location, it's time to get your hands dirty. Usually you can access the filter housing by releasing a couple of clips or screws. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Just be gentle and take your time. Out with the old, in with the new. It's time to give your car a breath of fresh air by replacing that old grimy cabin air filter with a brand new one. This simple maintenance task can make a world of difference in the air quality inside your vehicle. Now for the fun part. Swapping out the old filter for a shiny new one. First, locate the cabin air filter compartment, which is usually behind the glove box or under the dashboard. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a little patience, you'll get the hang of it. Carefully slide out the old filter. It might look like a science experiment gone wrong. Don't be surprised if it's covered in dust, leaves, and other debris. This is a sign that it's been doing its job, but now it's time for a fresh start. Make a mental note of which way the arrows on the filter are pointing for the new one. These arrows indicate the direction of airflow, and it's crucial to install the new filter correctly to ensure optimal performance. Now grab your new filter and slide it in the same way the old one came out, making sure the arrows are pointing in the right direction. Easy peasy. Take your time to align it properly, ensuring it fits snugly into the compartment. Secure the filter housing back in place, and you're good to go. Congratulations. You've just completed a vital maintenance task that will help keep the air inside your car clean and fresh. Enjoy the improved air quality and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your car is in top shape. Section 5. Keeping it fresh. How often should you change it? A good rule of thumb is to change your cabin filter every time you service, or at least twice a year, whichever comes first. This ensures that the air inside your car remains clean and free from pollutants. Cabin air filters play a crucial role in maintaining the air quality inside your vehicle, filtering out dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. But if you live in a dusty area or drive in heavy traffic a lot, you might need to change it more often. Dusty environments can clog your filter faster, reducing its effectiveness. Similarly, heavy traffic exposes your car to more pollutants, which can also lead to a quicker buildup of debris in the filter. And hey, if you start noticing a funky smell in your car, or your AC isn't blowing as strong, it might be time for a new filter. A dirty cabin air filter can cause unpleasant odors and reduce the efficiency of your car's air conditioning system. Regularly checking and replacing your cabin air filter can help maintain a comfortable and healthy environment inside your vehicle. So keep an eye out for these signs and make sure to replace your cabin air filter as needed to ensure the best air quality for you and your passengers. Breathe easy, enjoy your clean air. That's it, you're done. Pat yourself on the back. You're officially a cabin filter changing pro. Now you can cruise around town knowing you're breathing in clean, fresh air. And remember, a little car maintenance goes a long way. Keep your cabin filter fresh, and your car will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.